Kia ora tātou. We interrupt this afternoon's broadcast to bring you breaking news just in from Taupo, where there have been multiple reported sightings of BOBB. Information is limited at this stage, but what we are hearing is that BOBB is being spotted in popular locations throughout town. We have our reporter, Libby O'Brien, on the ground, and we'll cross live to her now. Libby, what are you seeing and hearing on the ground in Taupo?
I'm here with an eyewitness who said he saw Bob with, well, his own eyes. Keith, can you give us a rundown of what Bob looks like?
Yeah, he's probably about 3 foot tall, kind of stocky, and
Well, yes.
he's quite orange.
Oh.
Orange hairs, actually.
Oh, orange. Interesting. Well, I guess we'll have to keep our eyes orange peeled.
TDC Channel 30 News has confirmed multiple sightings in Turangi. Reports of sightings are also coming in from Mangakino. Now, do we have any idea what Bob's intentions are? Oh, Libby's back. Okay, Libby, crossing back to you now, Libby.
Yes, Mandy. Well, I'm here in the Taupō District Council Customer Service Centre, and Bob is here. That's right, Bob is here. Get a good shot of Bob. Yes, thanks for bearing with us, folks. And Mandy, I can confirm, Bob is indeed stocky, orange, and short in stature. Bob is a big orange ballot bin, and the Bobs are here in the district for a short time only, waiting for your vote. Yes, it's true. From the 16th of September until the 7th of October, you can put your voting papers in the big orange ballot bins, the Bobs, that are all around Littlehead. Easy as that.
Ngā mihi nui, Libby. Well, that's all we have time for at the moment. I'll be back with the news hour at 6. Until then, from all of us here at TDC Channel 30 News, mā te wā.